Traditional Tie Guan Yin, which has been chocolate roasted and the oxidization fermentation level is based on traditional method. Coming from a very nice natural farming eco environment. Kaipeng, the tea farmer, only harvests once a year. After malt has been made, then it has been repeatedly chocolate roasted by another fire master, Master Wang. With 3 grams, I could brew it more than 12 times. So what is the cost per brewing? Clever you must understand. Good quality tea not only provides you a delightful enjoyment with great flavor and taste. Most importantly, actually it is quite economical as well. Instead of bitterness, as a matter of fact, the taste is becoming more gentle and sweet with more brewings. Care for the natural, care for the climate, then please support the natural farming eco-quality teas because you deserve the best quality. After drinking, feel very relaxed on my body because it keeps my body feel warm and ease with great flavors and taste.